bonia udi ye ni na abefra obi a no wo page no so bi aka adwuma abayi we di team wo page no so ma me papa na mobo wo mo e wo sa page no so ebedi ma dance ye abayi we di ma tem left right center say me NPP for kraman na the NPP for be bia na kukuku na makodi akire but the muni bibi me NPP kraman amepe say me NPP kraman no is better than say me flag bearer of NDC. I swear to God. Uti di ameka no. Say me kraman a wo NPP mu no. E better chance say me flag bearer of NDC. Ade ye demon bi anya de papa. Uti di ameka no. Of course concern for day. And we are watching them too with a close eye. Na neso ye mindse words. Ye can say the tie e de akire Ghana for. Ye didi matem left right center wo page ne so mampa bakwesi me na mepe na me di meti akote enu nti ye didi matem na kwesi apia kran meti we me kofa back door say okay say sa na abade a ma me nko solve problem because page so na ye wo nti entumi ma page ne so nye dedede na me call back behind stage say oh me nuaba the way I me na otie ne de sebe ye ntumi ma politics we keke no embeye problem bi ama ye nti ode boni bi na media mekan na anko yi a fa che me nyame ne me dance ni unia me command private message ni say that was the wrong thing I did say that no kire me pepa ankasa twitwa me solid twa me ankasa abayiwa bodamfo twitwa me left right center all because or the asem air two hopes in so Emma man support enti ena say group no ono ankasa menim de ye ya one group leader no yam say konkonsan man konkonsan yomu didi ya na de say group no etekoda ya na ese bie group foforo brako fi mi chia ho na after eno no started say obe release this series of hopes na doye informations muntie ni ye na o starte ye nti na ye mwanwa say wonu a wonu mbom starte problem a wonu mwa ye bone no wonu mbo nenam and all report former police na sebe if what you are doing is legal and it's right why are you running to the police? Why are you running to the police? And you ran to the police without thinking, say, you were the first person who posted an innocent man's picture on your Facebook, accusing him of stealing, accusing him of robbery. What court evidence did that crazy girl have to say, Honorable Hobson, akweko bune daya any? But on the Hobson picture, CCTV picture, edit to abonting. And Honorable Hobson, sometimes they are me dinner where I was honorable. Intimopa mukutasa de way ni na wakola we ho. And intimu to me fan my authority be a momon Kenya as a semu bi anchereno. Say me kwesi apia meti hey, no obi akofa me picture no the abebo ni Facebook no we didi matem e delegate me afre me kronfo am rob now Honorable Hobson tio but ono no sebe that time no nensa e sha berewa aduanim obeye den we ye film because wakopen ho asem e maka Africa jo akoka afa ni Toronto ye chicha ne pictures enti wosuro se wo china sese ye behu na ne picture beto abonten ne parliamentary ambitions ni na ebeye basa enti sa de a de abodam for ne beken bia obeye na me try ye so many times ade ne be start no every Honorable Hopes na those times no nkrofo sa Ghana for no from a se adwin se sika bi na wo be yi o se adwin se sika bi na wo be pe no mu mbia o or started planning ye emma ono ane nanfofo ma ono omo started planning sa de we ni na hu se de bi de e kona enye no bebre started see ye twetwe ho sa time no na me pese me di information ne ye den emma NPP for it wasn't only Hobson. It wasn't only the president she was after. She was after Honorable John Buedu. The only reason she couldn't mention John Buedu's name is because, say, John Buedu money 800 million, 80,000 Ghana cedis. And also, make us see a boy. Yeah, money 80,000. Now, ucho be picture. And now, we will be koda. Now the blackmailing say wa ma uska be kwa catch na yere a den ya enye blackmail enye extortion na onum bom jimifuo ni mbom atumi anya chance ko se okwa report Kwesi Appiah because Kwesi Appiah e bie ne to rama to long time ade we jam ya na cause Kwesi Appiah akofa blade e de papa ne to mo bia hu say sister aboa ne fa video ben ye na president frame kra memfa na me de me I don't have time enso wo video e ba ye wo voice ye ba ye kire say sister na wo pachew honorable host mfa kan ba ko an say na de wuntumi nda na wo hope senso kra na ya na menim sa wo ni amapakura wo honorable hope sen fan kan wan fan kan wa wo nda. The man you were begging, chasing up and down. We have text messages, we have voice notes, we have so many things. Afeidie honorable hopes na no ye target na besesa. Then necessary because enam ni insolence any ni too no oyenti. Onyame aye wadom. Now we so the security people failed. I won't hide that. That bang wine crown or just a sebi. Ekufuado mano crown. How many of them can go in the presidential jet? Now, waba impersonating. Oh, Mr. President, I'm the NPP women organizer in Canada, and I come to visit. Please, now President. So, oh, they said so many good things about you. Oh, and yeah, Sadia, you're quite you, Kumase. And you. And a president say, I will do this one-time favor. President Bonio, yeah, I don't know. I will do, since you are a party executive, I will do this one-time favor and let you travel with all of us. Yes, I want the president in Kwao. Travel with all of us in the presidential jet to Kumasi. So, chief of staff, John Buedu, so many people were on board in that plane. Now, one thing on no say, Ora plane money na no security channel. The pictures ya uchuche ni na ye channel. But only minyansa no person de be brage e de say ade enti. Ma me papa, won president ye tu kwan. Nipa wom. Wo begina plane animu a na we twa Ghana ye aircraft no we gina animu aye den etwa picture. O twa picture na say be wan fan command ma me ana wo papa o. Na what the picture na beto den, what they are beto social media. And the intelligence so picking on me say, wo nye Kufuado ba. Wo nye ne yere. Wo nye say be vice president yere. Uye nimu. Na ujina aircraft no ho de yeden. Inti sadia picture na wo de ato ho no. Ko yifri ho. Boni Ghana for ye ni o. A crime has been committed, no. The ba ye ni. Some de munim say bibi akura me. Me na me choose not to talk about this thing. Inti no suro me no. Inti na ya no me gbo mu anu akofre police. Me ne anu akofre police e mo me paper. Na wa start wan hwe ya mi because nim say me kuta no. Onim say me kuta ni say che. Because I have all the fact, evidence, everything, including all the 56 text messages you sent to that number thinking say Kufuado ni kuta sa number no. Unim nyansenti, unim say president ni phone won. Nyansen